Today we will discuss applications of potentiometer. Applications of potentiometer. So as we know, the potentiometer is an instrument which measures potential difference between any 2 points of electric circuit. So in the basic principle we have learned that how to find potential gradient. Now this is the primary circuit which consists of primary cell, which is also known as driver cell. The EMF is E and series resistance is R, and the potentiometer is connected. This is the potentiometer wire. The length is L, resistance is Rp. So one of the important application is to measure the EMF of a cell. Suppose you are given a cell and you don't know what is its EMF. So you can use potentiometer to determine it. The positive terminal of the cell is connected at the left end of the potentiometer wire, and the other terminal of the cell is connected to one terminal of galvanometer, whose other end is connected to a jockey, which is a thin needle. You can slide it from one end of the potentiometer wire A to another end of potentiometer wire B. If you touch this jockey at end A, you will see that deflection of current, the pointer of the galvanometer is in one direction, and if you touch it at end B, the deflection is on the other side. So somewhere in between A and B there is a point where if you touch the needle, the deflection will be 0, so no deflection. So when there is no deflection, the distance x is known as balancing length of potentiometer. And how to find this balancing length? Suppose the EMF of this cell is E1, which is unknown to us, and we are going to determine it. There is no current through this cell. So suppose this point is C. This is also known as null point. C is the null point. So if we consider point A and C, I want to write the potential difference between A and C. So VA minus VC will be equal to resistance of length AC into current drawn from the cell, or potential gradient into balancing length, that is also equal to EMF E1 of the cell, whose EMF is to be found. Now equate the two, you will get E1 is equal to eta times x. So this is the formula for EMF of unknown cell.